Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What did the hat say to the scarf? You hang around here. I'll go on ahead.
Ha ha ha. What did a hat say to a scarf? You hang around here, I'll go on ahead. All right, now that we've had a little giggle, let's move on to our first legal move. The first legal move we call zero out. We use this legal move a lot, and it's what we use to start a problem, but then we also come back to it frequently within our legal moves. So the first thing I need you to understand is that if we have one, I have one of something, and I take that something away, minus one, I wind up with nothing. The zero out strategy means to subtract or to cancel or to take away what makes zero. So anytime we have two things that make zero, we remove them totally, we zero them out. All right, first example, if I have three unit tiles, let's say, and hold on, let's fix this. I have negative 3 unit tiles. And then I'm gonna add 5 positive unit tiles. Well, remember, this is equivalent to saying 1 minus 1. I have 1 and I'm taking 1 away. So those zero out. I have 1, I'm taking 1 away, they zero out. I have 1, I'm taking 1 away, they zero out. So then the question is, what are we left with? We're left with 2. So our answer equals 2. Okay, we're not making an angry face. We're left with 2. There we go. So our answer is 2. And similarly, we can see that 3 minus 5 equals 2. So that makes sense. But what about if we have x tiles? So now I have 3 x tiles. 1, 2, 3, and they're positive. And I'm going to contribute negative 4 x's. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice the way I set this up. I always put my first one above the second one because it allows me to easily group them. So now I need to make 0 pairs. An x minus an x makes 0. An x minus an x makes 0. An x minus an x makes 0. So what am I left with? I'm left with 1 negative x, which we write this way. These are equal. Okay, what about a problem like this? I have 2 x's. Then I have a y. And then I have 3 negative units. Are any of those like terms? No. I can't zero any of these out with each other because none of them are the same value. An x is a different value from a unit, similar to a y. They're all different values. So my ending answer for this is exactly what I started with. They're trying to trick you. Your question is your answer. In this case, you cannot zero anything out. All right. So remember, with our first legal move, we're trying to make 0 pairs. 0 pairs cancel out and go away. What we're left with is our answer. Go ahead and play, pause, and rewind to take notes so that you can go ahead and practice.